Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach macro investment system using Java and MySQL part 2 tutorial. I have forgot one thing in my last class. I have to add the password field here. So I have forgotten in my last class. So I have to add the password field. I have forgotten it, right? So let's go to the database. This is a database. So let's go to the structure here. Here we have to, after the role, I am going to add another columns. So click go. Here I am going to type password. Right. Click save. Now your password has been saved successfully. Now here what I am going to do is, see here I am going to default and I have to enter password 1 2 3. Double click 1 2 3. Right. Now what I am going to do is, here you have to go here. I am going to add the password field here over here, right? So let's go the same label, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, get the label here. This one should be the password. User get password. Right. Now I need one field, so password type field. So it is not a normal text box. This is the password field text. So you have to drag here. Okay. Now let's right click, edit text, backspace to remove. Select the text box again, change variable txt passed, txt pass, you have type like this. Okay, now let's click OK. That's the thing you have to do. After that, what I am going to do is, here select add button, right click, event action perform. Here we have to add the password field text box to assign to the relevant variable. So string pass equal txt pass dot get text. Now here I am going to add the field. Here this one should be password column, right? So comma password. Here also you have to add another question mark. Right. Now here also we have to add same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. You have to add this one 6. This one should be the password. This pass. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This is the thing we have to do. Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right. We have to add the additional columns, question mark we need. So here we have to add it here. Okay, now let's run and check. Click here, run check. File user. You have to write here first name Ravi, last name you have to type Kishan, email Kate, something like that, phone number, role officer, password you have to type something like that. Click add button, user add. Right, it's perfect, it's working perfect. Now let's check. It's working perfect. Now what I am going to say, after that we have to add load the data into the table, right? So here JTable, right? So what I am going to do is very simple stuff, that is let's go to the source. This is the connection method. After the connection method, I have to create another method, public void table load. Right, table load. Right. Okay, first what I am going to do is, we have to write create the variable int c. After that you have to write here tst equal connection dot prepare statement. You have to write here select all from user. This is not error, you have to add this one. After that you have to write second one should be result set rs equal pst dot execute query. After that you have to write result set meta data rd equal rs dot get metadata. After that you have to write this c, get c here, you have to write this one rd, Control C to copy, Control V paste here, dot get column count. Here we have to write Now here you have to write this. Go here, we have to create another stuff. You have to create another stuff. Here is default table model df, right? You have to create like this. Okay, now here same thing, you have to get it here. Simply df equal, you have to write here the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste inside here. You have to write here j table1 table. What's the name of the table? J table1. You have to load it here. Dot get model. Right. Now here what I am going to do is say df dot set row. Set row count. You have to write like this. See. Right. Now what I am going to do is first you have to write a while loop, while rs dot next. You have to write vector b equal new vector now here we have to write for loop, for int I here not less than equal c I plus plus. Right. Now here this is the, I have created the, initialize the variable I, initial value 1, I mean this initial, c mean this c, right, row count, right. Now here inside the for loop you have to write vector b dot add, you have to write here rs dot get string, you have to write first one should be, what is the first one, right, here first column should be the id. So id, this one should be the id, first column should be the id. After that you have second one id, f name, l name, email, phone, role, right. Control C to copy, control V to paste here, right. Right. F name, l name, phone, role, email, phone, role, email, yeah, phone, role, right. Here type like this. Okay, now let's run and check. So finally you have to write df dot add row v, right. Now this function control C to copy, control V to paste here, right. Now let's check. Here it's working perfectly well, right. It's loading perfectly well, right. Password don't show here, right. You have to remember the password. It's working perfectly well, it's loading the perfectly well. Now what I am going to say, after that we have to do the edit and delete part, right. So let's close the program. Now let's go to the design. Here this button I am going to change the text as update. This one should be the delete one, delete, right. Now here what I am going to do is here, first we have to, when before we update the record, first you have to select the record which you want to update from the rows here. If you select the record, the relevant record should be displayed on here, right. So let's see how to do the task, right. So here first what I am going to do is here, you have to select this J table, right click, event, mouse click. Here we have to write simply, we already create this one, this is defaultly, the design should be default like this, right. Here this one, right. So we have created the default table model successfully. We have to create this object. Okay, so here we have to paste it here, df equal default rows, this one, this default table, same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right. Now here what I am going to do is, after that you have to write select int select index equal, you have to write j table1 dot get select item, get select row, right. Now here what I am going to do is, after that you have to write after that string id, what's the problem here, int, right, int select index equal jtable1 dot get selected rows. What here, let's not get selected row here, right, get selected row, this one, right, okay, that's it, right. After the string id we call here, right here, d1, sorry, this one, df, this one, df dot get value at, you have to write here select index, control c copy, control v to paste here, you have to write 0, write dot to string. Now same thing, control c to copy, control v to paste here, sorry, not this one. After that we have to write, this is, we have to assign this variable. After that what I am going to do, we have to, when you click this button, it's all the values should be displayed here. So how to do the task is, we have txt fname dot getText, sorry, setText, not getText, setText. Okay, we have to write the same thing, control c to copy, control v to paste here. Here also this one should be 1, this one should be 1, right. So same thing, control c to copy, control v to paste here, this one should be lname 2, this one should be set, this one should be txt email, three, control c copy, control v to paste here, this one should be phone, control c copy, control v to paste here, this one should be phone, roll, this one should be roll, set selected item, right. This one should be 5, this one 5, right, this is the thing we have to write. Okay, password no needed, okay, that's the thing we have to write. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. It's working. Hi, it's working here. Now it's working perfectly. Here it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly well, right? Now it's working perfectly well. Now you'll be able to update that account, right? So here first what I am going to do is here, you have to write here simply when you click this button we have to write, now here we have to do another stuff is we have to this password field text of txt pass dot set enable false, you write enable false, no true, right. So click this button, right, edit button, right. After that what I am going to see another stuff is we have to do the code is update button, right. So this is the add button, when you click this link, this add button should be, we have to enable false, so we have to write j button 1 dot set enable false, right. Okay. Now what I am going to say, we have to click on this one update button, event action perform. Now you have to write the code simply the same thing, you have to control C to copy, control V to paste here. Now you have to write here PST equal con dot prepare statement. So that prepare statement you have to write here update. What is this one? Which table you are going to update? User table, user, update user, set first column fname, right, fname equal question mark, after that lname equal question mark, comma email phone number, email equal question mark comma phone number equal question mark comma role equal question mark, right, where id equal question mark, right. This is how we have to update the record. Now this is not error, we have to import the try catch, right. Now here what I am going to do is, here we have to go to the add query. This is the right insert query. The same values you have to control C to copy, control V to paste be above, right. Instead of typing, you have to type here all the values, right. So here first we have this no need password field, we have to remove it. Here first one should be, we have to write set the things, right. So here we have the same thing, right, the same thing, okay, the same thing you have to copy, same, sorry, the past state, right, control C to copy, control V to paste here. We no need to write it. If you insert query, if you wrote, the same thing copy, right. First one should be the if name, L name goes here, email goes here, phone number here, role here. We ask the ID, 6 field we have set, control C to copy, control V to paste here, 6 field, ID should be this one, this ID, this ID field, right. Okay, this ID you have to set, what is the ID you are selected, this is assigned this variable, this right, this ID, okay. So get the ID and it is updated record. Now this is not right, use updated, simple, use updated fail, control C copy, control V to paste, right. This is the thing you have to, after update all the stuff, you have to release these two buttons. These two buttons, pass and this one, have to update the record. Make true. Control C copy, control V to paste. Right, now let's check. Click on this one, do some modification, click update. What happened? Connection null, you have an error on syntax, exclusion dependence, role administrator, we have the ID, role administrator, near the syntax near the here, near the administrator, right. The problem is here, the role is the problem, right. What's the problem here is comma is missing, that's the problem, right. What's the problem? If you get any error, you have to read the error, where is coming where, right. There are no students reading the error, just comment it, right. This is the error, what's the it is here, it mentions the error near the row, we have a problem, it's easily mentioned here. So you will easily identify the error, right. So let's run it again. This one, this one, here we have to type like this, click update, user update fail, what's the problem? Now here we have to set the ID here, the ID is the problem, I think the ID right here, right. Now let's run an again. File, user, this one, right. Now let's select the right. Now let's update, click update. Now it's updated, right. Now it's updated successfully, right. The problem is that, okay, now it's working perfectly, right. Now it's working perfectly. Now what I'm going to do is simply, after update or insert the record, we have to clear the text box, right. So here this is the add code, so you have to clear the text box as well. So here this one, control C to copy, if name dot set text, you have to clear. Same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right. Second one, this one, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Third, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one, control C to copy, paste here, this one roll, control C copy, control V paste here, this one control C copy, sorry, this one we no needed. Okay, so things we have to do, but this is a password fish. Right now here roll, this is a combo box, not set text, set selected index, we have to write 1 minus this one clear, right? The same thing, clear code, control C copy, you have to paste it here as well, update as well. Okay, this is the thing we have to write. Okay, simple, right? That's the thing we have to write. Now when you add the record, you can see here, when you add the record, you have to write this one should be, you have to write James and email address something, phone number, manager, password, click tag button, user added, you can see it's clear, right? You can here. Now the simple stuff you have to do, after clear all the stuff, record the cursor should be focused on the text box, this text box, first name text box, you have to write here request focus, right? Here this, okay, this is the thing you have to write. Same thing, control C copy, you have to paste it here, this update as well, insert also, right? Okay, this is the thing you have to write. Perfect, right? Now what I am going to do is here we successfully create this stuff. Now I am going to do the another thing is a delete button, right? So the same thing, action perform, simply you have to, the same thing you have to copy and paste it here, the same thing, update the same update code, control C copy, control V to paste here. Here only thing you have user deleted, right? Here also we have to write the other stuff, we no need this stuff, we have to remove them, only we need get the ID and remove it. So we have to write delete from which table you are going to delete the record, user table, where ID, this one you have to remove it, ID 1, right? So here user deleted, so here we have to do all the user deleted, we have all the stuff here, right? User deleted, only thing we have to get the ID, delete from user table, where the ID 1, delete the record. That's a simple stuff we have to do. This one user deleted, control C copy, control V paste it, right? That's the thing we have to write. Now let's check. Simple, right? You no need to write the code again by again. Simply, if you write the insert code, you have to modify for the update code you modify in the delete, right? Very simple. Now you have to delete the record, click user table. If you are willing to this record, click on this one, click delete button, record deleted, user deleted, right? Now if you refresh it, you can check here, it's deleted. Now what I am going to do is, if I add the record or delete the record, if you have the record, the table should be refreshed itself. So what I am going to do is simply this code, this table method, control C to copy, you have to paste it here. Just paste it here. The same method you have to paste it in here as well. Update as well. The same method paste here, plus delete as well. This is the thing we have to do. But very simple one, we have to do it, right? Another stuff is you have to clear. We have to need another button for clear. This clear button. Another button we have to need. Same button we have to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be the close. Right. Now here first clear button, what I am going to do, same thing. Event action perform, the simple, the same thing. This is clear the form, the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, the same thing, right? Okay, the same thing you have to do it here. Here, this another stuff is a close. The form should be closed. So let's see when action perform. Simply you have to write this means this current form dot set visible. We have to simply write here false. You have to write like this. It's close, right? Very simple. Now here when you click on this, you have to accidentally click this one. If you want to clear this one, so click clear, it's clear. Okay, simple, right? If you are willing to close the form, close, the form should be closed, right? The main screen should be keep, right? Very simple one. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. In my next tutorial, I will be teaching the account part in the macro investment system, right? Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me.